Plants vs. Zombies, Series 2.
We were at Walmart earlier today.
Holy wowza!
Yeah, these things sell themselves, man. We got 2 bags, Plants vs. Zombies, Connects, Series 2. In one of our earlier episodes, we got the Infinite.
Infinite, not a potato ghost, even
Was
though I
not
wish it
a
was.
potato ghost. Sorry, Mr. Commenter who corrected us, you were right. And we got these 2 awesome zombies. I like this guy myself.
Yeah, he's got like a bow tie and a mummy and a pylon.
And a pylon on his head, and he
a
decorated it with a cobra. Are you kidding me? Listen, you can't go wrong with any of that.
Yeah.
And joining our zombie
And
plant
our-
friends. Look at that. Even cut.
Right under the line, and down it goes.
Let's see what happens. Oh, snow pea.
Snow pea, it's a cabbage pult.
Oh, it is a cabbage pult.
I corrected you. Huh?
You did. You're like a regular YouTube commenter.
Boom! And here is what it does.
And here we go.
Whoa.
And we are ready for bag number 2.
Cabbage pults, so they're gonna get another friend, someone to shoot at.
Yeah, I hope it's a zombie. We checked the codes, so we think we got it, but you never know with the old blind bag.
It is not coming out. Pieces, pieces, pieces. Zombie. Zombie.
Where's the zombie? Let's see his head.
Okay, it is like the blue dude. It's a blue dude with a tie.
There we go, super blue guy.
And here it is. Blue dude. That looks really cold.
And there he goes with his buddies.
And stand up.
So that's episode 17, folks.
Come back next time on Dollar
For your thoughts.
And